Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of distinction between field and its knower. Chapter 13, Shloka 13. I will declare that which has to be known, knowing which one attains to immortality, the beginningless Supreme Brahman, called neither being nor non-being.
ज्ञेयं यत्तत् प्रवक्ष्यामि यज्ञात्वामृतम् अश्नुते अनादिमत्परं ब्रह्म न सत्तन्नासत् उच्यते.
Chapter 13, Shloka 13. The 20 qualities in the last 5 shlokas were called knowledge, as when fully developed, they are conducive to final realization of self. Mortality is the destination of matter. Identifying with finite matter, the infinite spirit itself is conditioned by matter and suffers the finitude and mortality. By giving up the identification with matter, the spirit rediscovers its spiritual nature, and all suffering of finitude and mortality end. To accomplish this, our inner equipments of meditation have to be properly tuned up. Like the river bed supports the flow of waters, the substratum supports the flow of thoughts, called the mind. Thoughts support and are conditioned by time. Since the Supreme is the substratum of mind and time, it is beyond time and hence beginningless. The Supreme Consciousness illumines all experiences and exists beyond the realm of experiences and cannot be perceived as an object, it being the very perceiving principle behind all equipments, the subject. It cannot be perceived, felt, or thought of, and hence cannot be thought of as being or non-being. It can only be indicated as neither Sat nor Asat, as all concepts are the judgments of the human mind and intellect. The consciousness that illumines these judgments is the self. The illuminator and the illumined cannot be one and the same. Since Sat and Asat are two types of thoughts, and the self illumines them both, so all that can be said is that Brahman is neither being nor non-being. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.